CE Physics 1992 question 20. So we have a cup of water being heated from room temperature, and after 300 seconds the heater is switched off. So we have 4 graphs which shows the heating curve of the water correctly. Firstly, we have to take into account of one thing, that is because the water is heated from room temperature, and after the heater is switched off, it will go back to the room temperature again. So we can rule out A, because the temperature after switching off the heater just remains constant, so it is not true. And also we can rule out C as well, because the temperature has dropped to below room temperature after the heater is switched off, which is also not physical. So B and D, they both go back to the original room temperature after the heater is switched off, so this is physical. So let's see whether B or D should be an answer. By considering one more thing, we know that at T equals 300, the heater is turned off. So right at the moment when the heater is turned off, we know that the heater is still hot. So when the heater is still hot, the heat would still be transferred to the water for a while. Therefore, the water temperature after switching off the heater should still rise for a little bit. But you can look at graph B. When the heater is switched off, the temperature drops immediately. So this is not physical, so B is not true. So the answer would be D. D affects the actual heating curve and cooling curve of the cup of water.